Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain you the concept of flip-flop and latch. And it is one of the most frequently asked interview question. Explain the difference between latch and flip-flop. And as you know all the theoretical points, we will try to focus more on practical. We will try to see how the timing diagram is different for latch and flip-flop. And let me tell you one thing that if this is what my clock is, this is what my clock signal is, so this is what the positive level, okay, and this is what the negative level. Similarly, if you want to take a edge, this is what the pause edge and this is what the neck edge. Okay, very simple. Just consider these things and you will find this question very simple. Okay, for this case we are taking a positive level latch and positive edge flip-flop. You can take the negative level latch and negative edge flip-flop as a homework and try to solve. You will get more confidence. Okay, now let me explain you with this waveform. This is what the truth table or characteristic table you can say. When clock is 0, whatever data which may it is maybe 0 or 1, you will get the previous value. And clock is there, if D is 0, output will be 0. If D is 1, output will be 1. This is what the characteristic table of a D latch. Now this is a graphical symbol of D latch, just D, Q and Q bar. In clock signal you can take a enable, doesn't matter. Okay, now so what is the symbol for flip-flop? If this is what my positive edge flip-flop, so difference is just this clock. This is what D, Q and Q bar. Okay, this is what arrow show you. This is flip-flop and this is latch. Okay, now let a very simple example of this timing diagram. Now first take a latch timing diagram. This is what my random data input, this is what clock, or you can take enable here, doesn't matter. And positive level we are considering, right? So at positive level of this clock, whatever data is present will be latched to the output or will be transparent to the output. Hence it is also called as transparent device. Let me repeat, whatever data which is present at active level, here positive level, right? So whatever data which is present during this pause level will be transparent to the output. So what is there during this pause level? 1 is there, right? So 1 will be here. Similarly, during this negative level, it will retain its previous value. What is previous value? 1 is here. So till next pause level, it will retain the previous value. Okay, now here at next pause level, whatever data will be present will be transparent to the output. Okay, so 0 is here, 0 will be transparent to the output. And during this negative level, it will retain its previous value. What is previous value? 0 here. So this 0 will be continue till the next active level. Next active level is this pause level. Whatever data which is present will be transparent to the output. This is what the data is, right? So this will be transparent to the output, and during this negative level it will retain its previous value. What is previous value? 0, right? Similarly, at this pause level, whatever data which is present will be transparent to the output. Okay, and during this negative level it will retain its previous value. And this is what the simple timing diagram for latch. Now let's take a flip-flop sim. Okay, take this as a data, take this as a clock, and the flip-flop will work on edge. This is what the pause edge we are considering. Okay, so during pause edge of clock, whatever data which is present we will get at the output till the next pause edge of the clock. Okay, let me draw this. So at this first pause edge 1 is here, right? So at the output we will get this one till the next pause edge of the clock. This one till the next pause edge of the clock. At this pause edge of the clock 0 is here. So we will get a 0 till the next pause edge of the clock. At this pause edge 1 is here, right? So this will be the output till the next pause edge. At this pause edge 0 is here. So this 0 will be there for the next pause edge. So this is what the output of latch, and this is what the output of flip-flop. Very simple. So this is what all about the timing diagram of latch and flip-flop. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please take that negative level latch and negative edge flip-flop as a homework. So if you try to solve those two questions, you will get more confidence. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.